Welcome to RV and Travel Adventures. My name is Jesus Manuel Menagarza. Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. In my continuing series on fishing, a lot of RVers like to go fishing, by the way. I'm doing a quick review of the Piscifun. I sometimes get that wrong. Some people call it Piscifun Torrent 2 Baitcaster reel. It's a little bit bigger than my other reel that I have from Cast King, so I decided to buy this one. Again, I bought this product with my own cash. I did not receive it for free, for a review, for analysis from the folks at Piscifun. I bought this. So let's do a quick unboxing and show you the unit. Comes with this very nice bit of literature. Opens up and has the exploded view in the parts, so you can decide when you need some repairs, you can do it. Comes with this nice little tool here. Again, here's the tool. Very nice little tool. Has a little wrench and a screwdriver. Let me see if there's anything inside. No, that's pretty much it. Let's show you the exterior of the box. Here's some of the specs. It says here it has 7 bearings. The gear ratio is a very fast 8-1-1. And its maximum drag is 20 pounds. And it weighs approximately 6 3/4 ounces. And its mono capacity is of 10 pounds, is 160 yards. Of 30-pound braid, it says 125 pounds. 30-pound braid, that's pretty significant braid. I would only put 20 pound and probably get 150 of that, yards of that in there. So let me move these things aside and show you the reel. Here's the Torrent 2. I'm going to do some glamour shots, just show you what it looks like under lighting here. So you can say, hey, this looks pretty nice. You can take off the grips. It has a little screwdriver, has little soft grips, pretty solid grips. Again, this is the Torrent 2. This is the adjustment for this. And here's a front view. Let me show you a front view. Very nice indeed. Let me hold it right here so you can see me reeling in the pesky fish, be it a trout, be it a bass, be it a pike, be it a redfish, whatever you're trying to fish for. Again, 8:1 gear ratio. Here's a drag. One thing I learned recently about drag is that you always keep it loose while in storage. So you loosen it when you keep it in storage. Makes a nice little clicking sound. Here's a magnetic control. From 0 to 10. Very nice. Very nice indeed. And again, this is from the folks at Piscifun. Let me show you a top view. And there's the handles. Nice little curvature right there of the handles and the side. Here's a back view. And finally, a bottom view. You can open up this unit by just clicking this down. Let me show you a tight shot of that right there. And there you go. You have it open. See the little lever right there. And then you twist it. And then you open it up. Let me show you the twisting portion right there. It's twisted. There's the magnets. Of course, most contemporary designs are magnet. Oh, and the bearing right there looks very nice, very nicely sealed. It's a good quality magnet. And again, this body is pretty much plastic. A lot of people call it Nylotech or something like that. It's basically plastic. And some people infuse the plastic with fibers. And here's the view inside the unit. Again, it's pretty easy for these folks to make these plastic reels. And it has the controls right there. Let me put this back. Goes like that, if I remember correctly. Like that. Let me just see. It's like that. And then you close it like that. And then you lock it in place. And then you press it down. So I like this reel. And again, it says right on the side there, braid, 30 pound. Let me give you a nice shot of it. 30 pound, 125 yards, mono, 10 pounds. 160 yards. So, let me move down here so you can see. You're bringing in the fish. Very nice. So there we are. And let me put it on top of the box so you can see it a little closer. So there we are. That's the Piscifun Torrent number 2. As compared to number 1 or just plain Torrent. This is the pool. It's about I estimate the size on this unit is almost a 200 series. And plenty of reel for catching a big fish under 20 pounds. This has been Jesus Manuel Menagarza. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Leave your kind and friendly comments below. I do like this reel. I give it a good solid A, especially for the price point of around 40 bucks right now on sale. And you can get one via my Amazon affiliate link. I will have that in the description. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And leave your kind and friendly comments below. And ring the bell for future notifications. This has been Jesus Manuel Menagarza from Fort Worth, Texas, with a Piscifun Torrent number 2 bait casting reel. Very nice. I like this reel. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.